going to work on our short vowel sounds. Let's pick an apple and bring it to our big open mouths for the sound. Apple. Good work. Now we're going to get our finger and our thumb, make them as wide as you can and bring them up to your mouth. Your mouth is really wide for the sound. Egghead. Oh, there's an insect and it's landed on my nose. It is itchy. Now we'll make an oval with our mouth and trace it with our finger. Octopus. Finally, thumbs up with me. We're going to go up, umbrella. And those are our short vowel sounds.